So here, for this question and this topic, we're just going to be doing applications of trigonometry, okay? So we're just going to start off with exercise 3i, question 10, okay? So this question is talking about a road, okay? And it's a steady gradient of 1 in 10, okay? So in this question, you will be just reading it and just trying to understand the key terms here. So the key term here is gradient and this particular information, 1 in 10. Question first says, what angle does the road make with the horizontal? Give your answer to the nearest degrees. I'm going to assume yes. So you got to write down what you know first. So what do we know in this particular question? Okay, so what is the information that we actually know? So we know that there's a gradient of 1 in 10. So that means for every rise, there is 1. For every run, there is a 10. Okay, this topic's about trigonometry. So it's going to involve triangles. Okay, so there is a steady gradient of 1 in 10. So it's going to go up by 1, and it's going to go running by 10. So as you can imagine, trigonometry involves triangles. So you've got here 1, you've got here 10, and it's asking what angle does the road make, okay, with the horizontal. So as you can see here, this is the road, and it's really important to draw the diagram. This is the road, this is the horizontal. What angle does it make? It's asking for this angle. Now looking at that, we can identify with trigonometry, you have different sides and there's names for sides, okay? So you've got, this is the angle, that means this has to be adjacent, and that's going to be known as the opposite. Okay, so you've got O and you've got A. Going back to trigonometry, what is the acronym that we know of? SO, CA, TOA. Which one of these does that represent? TOA, which is this. That therefore means the formula now is tan theta equals O over A, opposite over adjacent. What can you do next? You can then substitute the known values. What do we have for our O? Our O is what? 1. Our adjacent is 10. How do we find out the angle? What do we need to get rid of? We need to get rid of this tan and bring it to the other side. What's the opposite of tan? Yes, it's tan inverse. So tan inverse 1 over 10 should give you that angle. Okay, so that's what that question involves. It's asking you to find out that angle, and that's how you find that angle. Okay, so I would highly suggest drawing a diagram and therefore filling out the blanks and labeling the diagram. What does the diagram even mean? So that's how you do that question. Okay, next part I'm just going